We have created key events, and in this key events we have this 1 minute site on some time on site, scroll 50%, but we are not getting it in key events of in the conversion goal of Google AdWords. And we found somewhere, we don't know whether it will work or not. We are doing it for the first time. So we will go to admin. They say that we should go to admin, we should go to product links, we should go to this Google AdWords, we should link, choose account, Gandharva Wellness, 164467, 164467, yes. So we choose this, confirm, next. Yes, next, submit. It may take 24 hours. Link created. Okay. Okay. After link, what does it? It says enabled. Let's see. Do we have to wait for 24 hours or I refresh? Yeah, it got solved immediately. So that's what.